Alright, well, happy Friday Eve. Weather's not the greatest. It's kind of chance of storms, and it rained a bunch yesterday. I mean a bunch. So the water is dingy, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I don't have a lot of opportunities here lately, so I'm gonna take advantage of when I do have an opportunity. And the tornado debris has not washed away. I'll probably come get that. So it's pretty dingy, kind of windy. I didn't bring my sock, but that's okay. We're going to try something different today. We're not drop shotting. We have a split shot. And we're not using worms. We're going to try some artificial bait. And I've not seen anybody use this, but I'm going to try it. And if it works, it may be something new for me. I've got gulp red worms, and then I've got gulp crickets. And if this works, then it's not going to save me any money, but it's going to save me some time running to the store, and it's going to save me time digging worms up. And then once I buy worms, I have to worry about refrigerating them and putting them up and all that. So this may save some of that. They don't smell bad. And I need to see, make sure it doesn't require refrigeration after use. It does not say that. So let's just see what we get into. Tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and put a cork on it. Up around these rocks. Just to see. It's about 3 foot. Well, okay. All right. And the pumpkin seed fell for the gold cricket, and that's a good pumpkin seed. That's not a bad little pumpkin seed right there. Long ear sunfish. That's a pretty fish. Up against those rocks, that's what I'm gonna find. There we go. That is, oh, nice. That is nice. Look at that. When it comes to pumpkin seeds, long ear sunfish, whatever you want to call them, that's about as big as they get. That is a good one. Man, those are pretty fish. rocks. Oh, that one got off. That hook. We're going to tie another hook on. And we may go to a smaller hook. We're going to go to number 6 mosquito. There we go. That's a good one. Wow. Come here. Wow. That is a nice fish. That is a bluegill. Dang, that is a good fish. Look at him doing his thing. Wow. Look at the size of that bream. Wow. Well, dummy. Keep on going. Keep flopping. Yeah. Are we done? There we go. We got that one. He is not big. Oh, he tried to swallow it. Dude, don't go swallowing my gulls. Good fish. For a long hair, it's not bad. It's a pretty fish. There we go. Nice. Come here, you. Oh, this is another good one. Oh, nice bluegill. Wow. Wow, it's a bull brimster. Wow. Oh. Golly. Look at that dude. Man, that's a pretty fish. Big old bluegill. Cricket rode up the line like a plastic worm, which I guess he is. Oh, the wind. Not where I want to be. That's, if I catch anything there, it's going to be a pumpkin. So far, if I catch them that close to the bank, it'll be a pumpkin seed. If I'm about, I don't know, 6 to 8 foot further out, it'll be a bluegill. And I'm after bluegill. Not too far out. The wind's hard to deal with. There we go. Well, he wasn't too far out. He's not as big as the last one. It's a female. Girlfriend, you tried to swallow that. female. Go make babies. There we go. Oh, that one's got some shoulders. Yes, sir. Man, these are some pigs. Well, quit peeing. Not a bad brim. And I am fishing with the same cricket, or as my nephew used to call it, tricket. And if I still have that cricket, I'm gonna put him back in the bucket. Ah. Oh yeah. Wow. Man. Oh wow. These are some bulls. I mean, that is a pretty brim. Oh, and he got my cricket. You dirty dog. My first cricket lost. I got some worms too. But I'm gonna save those because the crickets. I'll leave the worms on another video. So the good news is you don't lose a lot of your crickets. This is actually on my third cricket. I lost the other one because I hung up on the bottom and broke my line. Wow. Man. These dudes are, oh, come on. Don't do that to me now. These dudes are dudes. Y'all. Oh, yep. Well, maybe you saw it. He's bigger than my hand. They're coming down to here. That is impressive. And the bulls are ready to spawn because they got the coloration. The one female, she's very pale. Well, I didn't get there. There we go. Come on, baby. It's a good brim. Man. Oh, he swallowed it too. Golly, Bill. No, I can get that. I can get that. Open up. Come on. That's gummy. Don't get. Come on, look, look. We're gonna have a release. it's going to be pleasant, but you're making it unpleasant right now. There we go. Y'all, look at this brown. Man, he finned me. There you go, baby. There you go. So, alright, well, oh, there's a fish. I was about to close, but I'm gonna reel in this fish first. That's a good brown. Wow, that's a good brown. Wow. Oh, he's going deep. Come here, you. Wow. And he has lost my... Golly, Bill, this is a big brown. Oh, come here. Wow, that's a big brown. Man, that's a big brown. I've been out here less than an hour and I've caught a bunch of those. And I was talking about how long the crickets last, and he took my cricket. So, I don't know. I guess I need to go. I've got to go to town. I still have to take a shower. But that right there was fun. And we're going to do that again soon. There they are. And I don't know how many come in. It just says 2.1 ounces. I don't know how many crickets are in there. Maybe 15 left, 15. And what was that, my third one? I've lost 3. And I don't know how many I've caught. 10 or more. So, if you want to do some brim fishing, you don't have to, if you aren't near a cricket store, but you're near a bait shop, well, they'll have worms, but at any rate, if you want to use them things right now, they work. We're going to try them again. I still don't know if I need to put this in the fridge. I don't think so. So if you get a chance, try these things out, see what you think. We'll do the worms next time. Y'all have a good day. That was fun. Alright, on to other things.